All right, we go. The famous Jožek is in the driving school again. Lesson 3,730,47,337. Now the driving lesson today is driving with average speed of 30 miles per hour. We will not try to get faster than that. Yeah, it is good. Wow, why I do have the feeling that we are driving too fast? Because I'm not in the driver's seat, yes, and I'm kind of, like jumping. But anyway, Jožek is doing very well. The more miles the Jožek covers, the better it gets with the driving skills. The Jožek is very confident. The Jožek is very confident. It's built confidence in the driving skills and it's doing very well. This is a road in the park. We are in the park. It's nice and quiet. There are no other vehicles. We have a little music playing and the road is clean and nice. It's easy to navigate. The marking of the road is not very good, but it's okay. There are no too many vehicles. There's no vehicles behind us. There's no vehicles.
There's a vehicle behind us.
All right, it's no problem. That is not our concern. We are driving with the.
Is it a normal speed?
It is a normal speed of 30 miles. The vehicle should follow us and does not complain, and that's it. We are doing very well for the moment. Just try to hold the brakes as well for a moment of time for you to know how to control the brake and the famous Jožek is moving with about 30 miles per hour. That is a normal speed for the park. It's very good. The road is somewhat straight and here and there curvy, but not too much, not so many curves. Yes, slow down now, slow down. Curve is coming, yes, we should slow down a little bit. Yes, fantastic, you are doing very well. Alright, so now we're gonna take off the sound a little bit. Yes, good, continue, very well, continue. We are advancing confidently, continue, yes, fantastic.
Should I let this car pass?
Not really. Do not worry about the car. Just look in front of yourself. That's it. Never, ever worry about the car behind you. That is a rule of driving. Do not worry about what happens behind you. All right?
Okay.
We should always worry what happened in front of us.
Mm-hmm.
And that is the most important rule in driving is watch in front of us 99% and 1% only what's behind us. All right, and that is when we move the car, when we maneuver the car, or when we slow down, or when we are about to make maneuver, then we peek at the mirrors and we see what's behind us, just to know. Okay, that's it. It's not our main concern. The people who are driving behind us, they should be concerned what's in front of them, which is us. And they should keep distance. Not too many drivers keep distance, and that's why so many...
Is it a normal speed?
It is the normal speed, yes, it is the normal speed. It's the beautiful speed. Everything is perfectly right. We are driving with about 30 miles per hour now, which for the park is excellent speed. And whoever is wishing and running and trying to get faster, that is their problem. That's not our problem, okay? They should follow us. Banana, follow us.
We'll soon have to turn.
Yes, we're gonna slow down. We're gonna give right signal, right.
Now?
Slow down. Yes, we're gonna go here. Slow down. Go straight. All right, that was exactly very good maneuver. Go. Go up. All right, I was pleasantly surprised that you made this maneuver without. I was like freaking out. but you did it. The famous Yoshik did it. I don't know, how did you do that? I was like, wow, we're gonna like, okay, now we are uphill, just a little bit more speed. There's nobody behind us. Here uphill, it's a different type of thing. You have to be more aggressive with the gas pedal. Go, 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 go. Wow,
I'm going all the way up. This is something wrong with your gas.
All right, my car is not like very, you know.
And the speed limit is 15 miles.
All right, the car is not very jumpy. My car is not very like a powerful vehicle.
And the same with the brake. You said me slow down, and I'm pressing all the way, and it's not slowing down.
All right, our car is not up to par. We're gonna fix that.
We should really take in the white car today.
Okay, we should have. Okay, now this is a very, very like almost 180. Go, 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 go. Gas, 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 gas. Yes, famous Yoshik doing very well. Fantastic, fantastic. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, gas, 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 gas. All right, that was like I was a little bit afraid for myself, you know, for my skin. All right. In this area of the park, the road is very curvy. It's very, very steep road. Maybe like, I don't know, maybe 40 degrees or something like this. You know, like a truck. You know, like a regular car would not do very well here. Like the NV 200 will not do too well, but you know, like yeah, it's kind of hilly. All right, famous Yoshik is doing very well. Yeah, we continue. The road here is surrounded by forest, and it's kind of narrow, not very wide road. But the famous Yoshik is doing very well. We continue to the road. It's gonna be 4 miles like this road, like maybe 4 or 5 miles. We are about 20 miles per hour speed, which is a good speed for this type of roads, right, Yoshik? Famous Yoshik?
Yeah.
Famous Yoshik is very concentrated in the...
And there's a car behind me.
Don't worry about the car behind you, worry about your road ahead, okay? Mm-hmm. The car behind you should be dealing with themselves.
There's a stop sign ahead.
There is a stop sign ahead. Yes, we can see it from far, far away. A stop sign is coming in this bumpy, wavy, foresty road. Yes, and we have to go there, and we have to do the stop signing. It's like a little intersection, and we're gonna go straight. That's say peak over there. Okay, now you go a little bit. Yes, we count. One, two, three, and we look. If there is no traffic, then we go. Yes, fantastic. There's no traffic. Yeah, there is a parking here. Wow, abandoned property, huge abandoned property here. And we continue, ahead. Yes, we continue ahead in the park. That is, the map shows that we are in the park. And we're going, yeah, we go left here, we go left, follow the road, we go on the left, yes, follow the road. This is Pocono Environmental Educational Center. We go straight, we go straight. We're not
gonna stop here, right?
What we're gonna do here? We're gonna educate ourselves.
Okay.
We go straight, yeah, we continue with our park trip. All right, the famous Yoshik is doing very well. It is doing very, very well, and we are in the park, in the Pocono area. I hope so. Or a Pocono, yeah. Pocono. All right, somebody is calling. We cannot take this message. Every phone is ringing, so we continue. Yoshik, famous Yoshik, yes, continue. All right. Yes, go. More gas. Fantastic. All right. There's a curvy road, and in the park, it's a good thing to learn the curvy roads. Come on, I'm not picking up, don't you see?